Harsh words from Uvalde's mayor directed at the county district attorney. This coming 5 days after the city filed a lawsuit against the DA's office for withholding information needed in the city's independent investigation into its police department. Mayor Don McLaughlin tells Lee Waldman the DA's actions are detrimental to the city moving forward as they try to achieve police accountability.
The DPS is investigating the DPS. They have access. Texas Rangers are investigating themselves. They have access. The Border Patrol is investigating themselves. They have access. The city has been denied access.
After being named the defendant in two other lawsuits filed last week, the mayor of Uvalde, Don McLaughlin, is speaking about one filed on behalf of his city against Uvalde District Attorney Christina Mitchell.
We have no choice. We need answers so we can go through our police department and make changes that need to be made. If we have officers that need to be held accountable, we need to know what their actions were that day.
In July, McLaughlin announced an independent investigation into Uvalde police would be done by Austin investigator Jesse Prado. Initially, he said it would take anywhere from 60 to 90 days. Now he says because of DA Mitchell withholding materials like body camera video and audio, Prado's investigation cannot move forward.
I kept quiet for the last 60 days, 70 days. You didn't hear me say anything negative about it, hoping that we would resolve this, and we didn't.
In previous statements, Mitchell has said the release of information would impact her criminal investigation into the May 24th shooting at Robb Elementary. McLaughlin says that's not true.
Mr. Prado told her that it would be kept strictly confidential, wouldn't be released without her okay. And he also told her that if he came across anything that was criminal that they had missed, he has an obligation and a duty to bring that forward to her.
Since the shooting, there's been a constant battle between McLaughlin and Mitchell. He hopes this lawsuit gets them in front of a judge and the independent investigation back on track.
It's not like you're going to be able to put this off forever. It needs to be transparent and on the table, and let's move forward.
I've tried several times over the phone and via email to speak with Mitchell, and she's not gotten back to me, and she's not sent a statement either. McLaughlin says he's received no communication with her since this lawsuit was filed. Now, according to the lawsuit filed on behalf of the city, Mitchell's criminal investigation should have been wrapped up by the end of last month. That has not happened, and no new timeline has been given. Live in Uvalde, Lee Waldman, KSAT 12 News.
Keep up to date with all of San Antonio's top news, weather, and so much more by clicking the like and subscribe buttons below. And once again, thanks for watching KSAT.